Alright, so we're going to need to remove the crankcase breather vent. It's a Phillips head screw ×2. For the majority of you probably have a leak here. So there's 4 O-rings, 2 larger ones and 2 smaller ones. They'll need to be replaced probably for you, and certainly for me. There's 2 of them go on the head of the screws and 2 of them go down on the orifice of the connecting parts. And don't lose the bolts. Oh yeah, that one there disintegrated. The other one, poor condition. Okay, so I've torqued the valve cover bolts down to 8 foot-pounds as they're supposed to be. Now we're going to put the seals on this right here. The large seals, they go there. There's the new seals, and it's the Ford part number F4TZ6769C. And then these bolts that go on the top of it get a new one as well, F4TZ6769A. And you have to order 2 packages of those because you only get 1 quantity in a package for some reason. It's crazy. Alright, I got the crankcase breather mounted back on there.